Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Well, today I am sitting in a early 2008 Citroen C5, and this is the model before it went to a full digital dash. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the time and the date on the central console up here on the screen. And as you all know, being a Citroen, it has a lot of buttons. Now, fortunately, all we're going to have to use is menu, turning the scroller and pushing the scroller in. So like I say, nice and easy to do. First thing we're going to do is press the menu button, and that takes us to this screen. Now, it's already on configuration, but if it's not, just turn it around until you find the one that says configuration. Then we're going to go ahead, press this button in, and then that gives us some options. So we're going to then go into the top option, which is display configuration. Again, press that button in, and then we can scroll up and down. You can actually change the color of the system, adjust the luminosity, and then we're going to set the date and time, which is the third option. So we're just going to go ahead, press the button in again, and then this actually brings up all of the different parameters. Now the date's right, but I'm actually going to take it an hour back, so click it till it goes white, and then we're going to turn it back to 5, and then I'm actually going to go ahead 2 minutes on that. So again, click it till it goes white, go ahead 2 minutes. When you're happy with it, just go ahead, press that in, and then you can scroll through and check any of the others. Now it says 12 hours or 24, and it also says AM, where it's actually PM, so just go up to 12 hours. Again, click that in, click the button again, and then I'm going to change that to PM. So you can actually do minute adjustment via GPS, but I've found that actually doesn't always work on this car. So when you're happy with everything, just scroll through to the OK button, and then we're going to go ahead and press the middle one more time. You'll actually notice it has now adjusted the clock. So that's how easy it is to adjust the time and date on a 2008 Citroen C5. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.